So first, before putting the sticker on, take a credit card or even a coin and just rub over it to make sure that the sticker's stuck to the tape first. So once you've got the sticker placed where you want it, with level and centered, however, take a piece of masking tape, it can be painter's tape or regular masking is fine, on one end, and then on the other end. Then you can remove the tape that you used to hold it in place, if you did it the way I did. Then you just crease one edge, whoops, and tear that off. Then you can fold over, peel off the backing paper, and just stretch that and line it up again with the way the tape was torn. And then you can just rub on that with your fingers, your thumb, and then just remove the transfer tape, peeling back against itself so it doesn't lift the letters. There you go.